Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to create a backsplash with two different methods. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so over here, I have my kitchen. Okay, so on this side of the wall, I would like to create a backsplash. Alright, so we can use the kitchen cabinet function. Alright, so for the first method I'm going to show you is to use a superboard. Alright, so just look for a superboard, drag it out, and then resize. Okay, so for the size, I would like to do my width 750 and my depth 2400. Alright, once I'm done resizing it, okay, I can just click X to rotate the panel up. And then click on Z to just move it. Alright, once it's done, we can just push the panel inside the wall. Alright, so click on the panel and you will get the dimensions over here. Alright, so we can use this to stick 0. Alright, stick onto the wall. And then just adjust. Alright, once it's done, we can just click on the material and change the material. Alright, so for this superboard, I'm going to change to a black glass. Just choose. Alright, and there you have it. So this is a black glass backsplash. For the second method, we can always just use the vertical split and horizontal split function. Alright, so I can just click one horizontal split over here. Okay, and then we can just adjust the lines to 200. Okay, and then we are going to split horizontally, one here and another one at the bottom. Same thing, once you're done split, you can always adjust just like that. Alright, so this is a new area since we have already used the scissors to split. So now you can actually go to cloud and drag in a wall tiles. Just like that. Alright, so this is how to create a backsplash using two different methods. Good luck trying, guys.